Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 932. We'll buy this Bitcoin and then we'll get into some exciting news. Bitcoin price currently $47,938, down over 3% today. So kind of facing some resistance here around 50K. Looks like it might be heading downward in the short term. Up about 5% on the past week, up about 39% on the past month. So a really good month here. Maybe we could see a pullback. I know you can't see the moving average lines on here, but maybe we'll pull back and test some of the moving averages. We'll also have to wait and see on that. Bitcoin news real quick. Looks like Michael Saylor has purchased more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy buys $177 million worth of Bitcoin, which is about 3,907 Bitcoins. So Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy still at it with those major Bitcoin purchases, just buying up Bitcoin and taking it off the market for good. So my Bitcoin owned 0.0895205.3. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin on this dip. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's gonna give us our order details, tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased today's Bitcoin. Let's scroll down here. Bitcoin owned now 0.0895407.6, getting very close to 0.09, so that's exciting there. Let's go ahead and do the math real quick. $4,296 in my balance. 4296 divided by 932 days equals a 4.6x on my investment. What that means, every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.60. So doing very well there. Let's go ahead and hop into today's crazy exciting news. You guys know I've been talking about CryptoPunks, NFTs, and Tpunk specifically, aka Tpunks. This comes straight from their marketplace feed. So Tpunk has been purchased for $619,000. That's 6.9 million TRX. And this is the Tpunk right here. It's the Justin Sun clown. There's 10,000 Tpunks that exist. 11 of them are the Justin Sun variants, and this is one of them. So a crazy purchase. You gotta imagine that Justin Sun is the one that purchased it. They were only 1,000 TRX to mint, which is less than $100. And if you go back and watch my videos on this, people were just not minting them for so long. Like, it took a long time to mint all 10,000, and that's when they were 1,000 TRX. Now they've moved up. There's more demand. The floor, the lowest one available, I think, is 3,500 TRX. So anybody that purchased one of those already more than tripled their investment. So sometimes it pays off to take risks on stuff like this. Also, you could have minted this one for less than $100 and sold it for $619,000. So that's insane. But that'll do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.